Let's explore 7 key methodologies proposed in Chapter 5 of the document, and as we do so, we hope to deepen our understanding of how to effectively engage children and young people. These methods offer effective frameworks for encouraging active participation, empowering youth, and fostering collaborative learning across different settings. They include the following: the child-to-child methodology. It focuses on peer-led learning and participation, where children teach and support other children. Instead of adults leading the learning process, older children or peers help younger or less experienced children engage in activities, discussions, and learning experiences. The goal is to empower children to take leadership in teaching, mentoring, and guiding their peers. A good example for this method would be older children might lead a class or activity where they explain concepts or help their peers with challenges, allowing younger children to learn in a comfortable, non-judgmental environment. Didactic sequences. Didactic sequences are structured teaching plans that involve a series of learning activities designed to engage children interactively and progressively. This method is typically used to guide children through a series of tasks or questions that are aligned with specific learning objectives. It can incorporate collaborative tasks, discussions, and creative problem solving to keep children actively involved in the learning process. A good example could be in a science lesson, children could explore a sequence of hands-on experiments followed by group discussions to help them understand scientific principles and express their thoughts. Dialogue circles. This method fosters open, respectful, and equal discussions among children. In a circle format, everyone has the opportunity to speak without interruption, promoting an atmosphere of active listening and shared responsibility. This method encourages children to voice their opinions on important topics and issues in a safe, inclusive space. An example that I could provide for this method would be the different types of dialogue circles. We have 2 examples: peace circles and community-based circles. Peace circles are designed to help manage conflict in a restorative way by focusing on repairing harm and improving relationships. They encourage open dialogue, allowing the offender to understand the harm caused while reintegrating both the victim and the offender into the community to prevent future conflicts. Community building circles, on the other hand, create a supportive environment where new or newly formed groups can develop trust, respect, and a sense of belonging. These circles typically address light and engaging topics, fostering a positive group dynamic that reduces conflict by helping participants feel connected. Philosophizing with children. This method is an educational approach that encourages children to explore big ideas and philosophical questions in a structured yet open-ended manner. Children are invited to reflect on fundamental concepts like justice, truth, and fairness, and to express their thoughts, reasonings, and ideas in a group. It fosters deep critical thinking, dialogue, and appreciation for diverse perspectives. For each example, a facilitator might present a question like, "Is it ever okay to tell a lie?" and then encourage children to explore the question, discuss their thoughts, and respectfully question each other's ideas. Collaborative learning model. This model focuses on children working together in groups to achieve common learning goals. This method promotes cooperative problem solving, peer support, and collective decision making. Rather than working individually, children learn to collaborate, share knowledge, and support each other's learning process, which helps build teamwork and social skills. A good example would be in a group project. Children might work together to research and create a presentation on a specific topic, with each children contributing their strengths and ideas. Service learning. Service learning combines community service with academic learning. In this approach, children and young people participate in real-world projects that benefit their community while also learning important academic content. The key element is that the learning is experiential and reflective, allowing children to understand the impact of their contributions on society. The service learning methodology allows children and young people to develop active citizenship by engaging in meaningful service activities within their community, focusing on issues that are important to them. An example of this method: children may help clean up a local park, organize a fundraising event for a charity, or assist elderly neighbors, all while reflecting on how their actions contribute to society and their learning. And the last is group assemblies. Group assemblies are structured meetings where children gather to discuss important issues, make decisions, or share updates. These assemblies offer children the chance to express their views, vote on decisions, and participate in discussions about topics that affect them. It's an inclusive and democratic space where everyone has a voice and children can participate in shaping decisions that impact their lives. A clear example would be in a school assembly. Children might discuss ideas for a school event, propose changes to school rules, or brainstorm ways to improve their learning environments, with the whole group involved in the decision-making process. So these 7 methodologies offer unique ways to engage children and young people in participatory processes, encouraging active involvement, critical thinking, and social responsibility. By using these methods, educators and facilitators can create environments where children's voices are heard, respected, and valued, and where they can contribute to shaping the world around them.